The walleye? Oh, bro, I got it all. Even the hit. Him taking off with my shit, me setting the hook. I had him in my hands like this. I grabbed his tail and I went to fucking grab him underneath, and then he shook the shit off of his head. I barely had him hooked on the bottom, dude. I'm about to show you this video, dude. It is crazy big. Did you see how big it was? Yo.
Please tell me he's still on. That was a monkey.
He got off.
Oh my God. Wow. Nice.
Carp on the fly rod, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a carp? You said a carp?
Yeah, man.
That's crazy.
I got like 40 of them up here.
Wow, that's awesome.
I've been trying to catch them on the fly rod.
Oh yeah.
Some big ones in here.
Man, that was fucking sick.
Yeah, too bad I fucking lost him.
Happens.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen jump out of water.
Yep. Oh
I
yeah.
should have let him run. I reeled too fast.
Yeah, okay, right on. I'm just having fun today, man.
Hell
Yeah, it's a good day. It's not even that hot. That's a good one, man. That's awesome.
Yeah. I'm writing an article for a Foot Fly Fishing magazine about carp on the fly rod.
Oh, I see it. Oh, that's a musky, dude. He's going towards my shit. My shit just got smacked. Just got smacked. It's going.
Tell me you got the musky on.
I don't know. I can't see.
You're about to.
I think it's a caddy. Come on, man. Another caddy, dude. Another caddy. Yeah, but I'd rather have one of those than any of these, dude. These are so annoying. Like, so annoying. They're fun, dude. They're fun, but when you think you get smacked by a muskie, look at this guy freaking going, dude. Come here, buddy. That's a nice size one, too. Dude, I think it's the same idiot, dude.
He's missing a whip.
No, it's not. It's not. Jesus. You went through my legs. Whew. Come here, my guy. Come here, my guy. I was literally just jigging this. Oh shit, dude. Literally just jigging a dead fish, dude. And I had a smack. The action on it's actually pretty good. Yo, there's a big catty right there, dude. There's another catty. See that? I think I got something. Here we go. Got something. Oh my God, dude. Another catty. Another catty. That is going crazy, dude. He's such a little one, too. That's fucking God. Yo, my buddy just got a musky. Oh, it's a catty. Damn, that's a nice one though.
I thought it was
Yo, boys, we're nailing them on dead ones. Nailing them on dead ones. That's crazy. Fuck, dude.
Come. Channel boy. Big old channel boy.
Got something. Got something. Literally jigging the thing. I don't know. Yo, there's a... Yup, musky, baby. Musky. No, dude, walleye. Walleye. Big ass walleye, dude. Holy fuck. Holy shit, dude. Just jigging that thing. Oh my God, look at this thing, dude. Look at this thing. Get the net. Hurry up before I lose it. Hurry. Lost it, dude.
Lost him?
Fuck. Jerking a dead fish, bro.